In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to Make.com, blending the power of AI with seamless automation. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or someone just starting to explore the world of automation, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you can easily leverage these tools for your own projects. To start, we'll go to Make.com. If you're not already familiar, Make.com is a user-friendly platform that allows you to automate workflows without any coding skills. Once there, locate the templates section. This is where the magic begins. Think of templates as pre-built tools that streamline the process, eliminating the need to start from scratch. So after clicking on templates, head to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This will help us find scenarios involving ChatGPT quickly. You will notice an option labeled OpenAI, which includes ChatGPT, Whisper, DALL-E, and other powerful AI tools under one umbrella. Clicking on this will display a range of available scenarios. Each scenario is a predefined workflow that you can customize according to your needs. Choosing the right scenario is crucial. Look at the descriptions or previews to decide which fits your objectives best. Once you find a suitable scenario, click on the template to dive deeper into the setup process. This part might feel a bit technical, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it seems. You'll see options to configure various settings based on what you need the automation to achieve. Follow the instructions provided within the template to set up your scenario. This is where you tell ChatGPT exactly what you expect from it, dictating how it interacts with Make.com. Connecting necessary data comes next. This is an essential step as it defines how your external applications or data sources will communicate with ChatGPT through Make.com. Look for options within the interface to link data points or applications that you want your ChatGPT to interact with. This step ensures that everything flows seamlessly and you get the desired output. Finally, before going live with your new setup, make a run test. This is an excellent opportunity to see how your scenario operates and to spot any potential issues before they affect your work. Testing serves as a trial run, allowing you to make tweaks if necessary. And that's it. You've now connected ChatGPT to Make.com, unlocking a powerful duo of AI and automation. As you get more comfortable, you'll find endless possibilities for automating tasks and enhancing productivity. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful content.